I was addicted to lust before. I was addicted. I was immoral before. But it could only be Jesus. It could only be through God that I was free from it. Alam mo yun, kapatid, na God freed me. Sa part na yun na I was addicted. I was living this sinful life. No, a life na I was enjoying that sin before. Nakakala ko wala na siyang katapusan. I feel like when I was doing it before, I feel so empty. No, I feel like I'm doing it because I was lonely. Alam mo yun, it's sin. And it will never be in tamang gawin, no? Hindi siya tama na ginagawa ng tao talaga. It will be only, alam mo yun, maganda kapag inside the marriage. But if you do it, agay nung ginagawa ko before, it's sinful. It will make you hurt palalo in the physical, emotional, spiritual. If alam mo lang, kapatid, ko na nangyari sa akin talaga food. Pero there are things na hindi ko na makwento dito sa social media. But yeah, I was that kind of person who was addicted to sexual immorality, to lust. No? And hindi ko siya ikakahiya. Because I can really boast in my Lord, with my Lord and Savior, Jesus. Because He freed me. And walang ibang nakagawa nun, kundi si Lord lang. And, yeah, God can also free you from sexual immorality, kapatid. He can save you every day when you are tempted. He can save you from anything that you're going through. Hindi ko ikakahiya yun. A lot of people might persecute me, will tell things na hindi nakakatuwa, but yeah, I will boast all the more because my Lord and my Savior Jesus freed me. And dun pa lang sa part na finree niya ako sa utak ko, na I can still be that beautiful woman, that Proverbs 31 that He wants me to be. I will boast all the more sa goodness ng Panginoon natin, that He can change anyone, and even you watching this video, He can change you, kapatid. He can change you, and He can do the impossible things na imposible sa'yo, na posible pa pala sa akin na magbago ako, posible pa pala na magbago ako, Lord. And only through Jesus that you will see the truth, that you will see the true way, the true life, because He is the way, the truth, and the life, kapatid. And only through Jesus you can experience true freedom. No? He can change you. No? So, sabi nga doon, tanggalin nyo yung wicked na tao na nasa buhay nyo. And that wickedness is our self itself. Kaya nga sabi sa Bible, be led by the Spirit, not by your flesh. Diba? Well, kapatid, God bless you. And only through Jesus that you will be free. I love you, kapatid. God bless you.